Yeah, hi, good evening to everyone. As part of the Java basics, we are learning today on the topic of chapter 11th. It is the chapter 11th we are discussing about generics, reflection API, garbage collection, and inner classes. These are the we are going to learning today onward. This is the chapter 11th, right? As per now, we discussed up to chapter 10. If you interested, if liked my video, you can visit my channel, Java Full Stack Guru channel, and like my videos. If you interested, if you liked my videos, you can subscribe my channel and press on. Don't forget to press on the bell icon. When I updated the new video, you will get that notification as well. Okay. Yeah. Let's get started the class. Okay. This is the chapter 11 as part of the Java basics. It is the chapter 11, that is the generics. First of all, we can discuss about generics. What is the generics? Basically, generics is introduced in the Java 1.5. Okay, Java 1.5 it has introduced Java 1.5. Uh, was introduced for Java 1.5 in the generics, right? Now it is one of the most most profound feature of the Java programming language. Okay, it is the most profound feature. This one. Okay, and generics programming enables the programmer to create a classes or interfaces or methods, whatever it is, and in which types of data is specified as per the parameters as well, right? Yeah, generics provides the type safety. It will provide what? Type safety it will provide. Type safety means ensure that the operation is being performed on the right type of the data. Okay, it is ensure what is that? It is ensure that operation is being performed on the right type of data. Okay, that is the called generics. Okay, note. I want to tell note here. Note. I will give all the topic wise materials. Okay, don't forget. I will give all the documents as well. Okay, no issues. Note here, before generic was introduced, the generalized classes, they have generalized classes or interfaces or methods, okay, whatever it is, were created using the preferences type of object, because object is the super class of the all classes in the Java, right? But this way, the programmer did not ensure type safety. Okay, the in the before Java 1.5, it is the did not ensure the type safety. Like it is how I can say, yeah, like we can say like this. I will show here. For example, class name. This is the demo. This is the class name. Okay, and here data type. Okay, data type, and here d equal to new what new demo new demo this one here. This is called what? This is called what we can call here. This is called a diamond notation. Okay, diamond notation. So this is called diamond notation, and it is creating the object of generic types. It will creating object of the generic types here only. Here inside the data types, here we are mentioning here, right? Inside the notation, diamond notation, we are mentioning the data types as well. Okay. Also we can create the class as well like this syntax. I want to show syntax of that syntax class for demo. Okay, class demo, and also like this. like this also I can show. Okay, here I can call T. T is nothing but it is the data type. Okay, T is nothing but it is the data type that is called a syntax of the generics. Okay, this is the class. This is the class. Interface also you can mention like this only. Okay, interfaces also you can mention like this only. But we can take multiple generic types as well. For the also we can mention multiple generics as well, like T1 comma T2, uh, T2 comma T3, like this. You can also mention. Okay, and this is the syntax of the generic class. Okay, what is the syntax of the generic methods? We can also just you can rename as a interface. That's it. Interface. Okay, interface. Okay, here interface and demo. We can also create the generic by interfaces as well, right? So specifying like diamond notation and multiple, there is no issue. We can mention multiple data types as well. Okay, multiple data types as well, and yeah, yes, and also in the yeah, that's it. That's it. You should remember what is the generics and why we should use. The generics is nothing but it is a type safety purpose you can use. Okay, before Java 1.5, the generalized thing they have. They have using the internally it is the object class. The object class is the super class of the all other class, right? After the Java 1.5, they have using the diamond notation to integrate with them or to it will mention with them like this. There is a demo data type is equal to new demo like this you can create or the generics you can use class level or in interface level or method level etc. Okay. What is use of the generics? Use of the generics means it will provide the type safety of the application. Okay, it will provide the type safety of the application. Uh, how I can say it is that type safety means it's the operation, right? It is a being for the performance for right data of the data, right data is specified as a parameter. Inside the parameter, you can specify like this. Okay, inside the parameters or inside the diamond notation, you can specify what type of data you are using. Like that, we can implement by using the generics. Okay, and also also, we have that next topic is the reflection API, right? That's all about the generics. Okay, there is no more discussion. Just what is the some of the interviewer will ask what is the generics and why you can use the generics is nothing but you can use the type safety purpose to runtime which data is going or which data is you need to reflect them. You can use the by using the diamond notation. Instead of the diamond notation you can mention that what type of data is that has you can mention like that only at runtime. Okay, yeah, where we can use generics. Oh yeah, class level you can use or interfaces level you can use or method level also you can use. Okay, uh, like that. But you can also interview one ask what is the it is generics is provided in the when generics is introduced when it is a Java 1.5. But before Java 1.5, what about the generics? That also you can they will ask, right? Now before Java 1.5, they had the generalized classes or interfaces, okay, methods were created using the references of type of object because object is the superclass of the all classes, right, in the Java, right? But we can programming did not ensure that data types. But before 1.5, but after 1.5 it will ensure the data types to for the that type safety. We can say like that. Okay, and what about the reflection API? What about the reflection API? What about the reflection API? That reflection API means its ability to software to analyze itself. Okay, its ability to analyze the software. Okay, in the Java, reflection API provides it is how I can say a facility to analyze and change a runtime behavior of the class at runtime. Okay, it will we can change and analyze at runtime. We can change and analyze at runtime. Okay, and yeah. Uh, and for example of the reflection API is the for example using the reflection API reflection at the runtime we can determine the what methods and filter fields and constructor modifier classes supports. Okay, at runtime we can check. And also it is java.lang.class provide the method that are the get the metadata and manipulate the runtime behavior of the class. Okay, what is that package name? Java dot it is the lang java.lang dot class. Okay, java.lang.class as well. And also one more package is there, right? Is the java.lang and java.lang.reflect package provides the many classes for the reflection and get the metadata of the particular class. Okay, which one? Java.lang dot reflection. Okay, the reflection. Okay, java.lang and java.lang and java.lang reflection. Okay, these things. These things. What does mean? Means the java.lang and java.lang reflect package provides the many classes of reflection. Okay, many classes of reflection and get the metadata of particular class. Okay, particular it will get the particular class metadata as well. Okay. What are the reflection package? What are the reflection package? This reflection package is the java.lang package. Okay, java.lang.reflection package that encapsulates several important interfaces and classes. Right? It does have a several interfaces and inter interfaces and classes. Okay, interfaces and classes. Several that has a this package has a several interfaces and classes as well. Okay, these classes and interfaces define the method which are used for the reflection purpose. You can use whatever it is, methods or classes or interfaces. Reflection purpose you can use, right? Okay. Some of the important things I will explain here. Some of the important classes that is java.lang reflection package I will explain here. And arrays is there, right? Arrays, for example, arrays and constructors and fields and methods and modifiers and proxy as well. Okay, proxy as well. Let what is the arrays? The arrays allows to the dynamically to create the manipulate the array. It will dynamically allows to arrays and create the manipulate the arrays as well. Okay, it will dynamically create the arrays. And what is the constructor? Constructor gives the information about the constructor of the class. Okay, it will give you a runtime about the class. Okay, and fields. This will provide the information about the field. Okay, it will provide the information about the field at runtime. And method, this method is provide the information about the method. Okay, it will provide method the related thing. It will provide at runtime only. And modifier, it is the provide the information about the class and member members, access modifiers, so whatever it is, it will get the at runtime as well. Proxy support the dynamic proxy classes. Okay, it will support dynamic proxy classes. Okay, dynamically allows that one, and it will give the constructor of the class, and it will give the fields of the class, and it will give the methods of the class, and it modify the modifiers as well by using the private method. By using the private keyword, we can access outside of the class as well by using the reflection API. Some of the interviewer will ask, there is a access for the by using the private keyword to outside of the class. Yes, you can possible by using the reflection API. You can say like this. Yes, it is possible by using the reflection API. It will allow to the private keyword to outside of the class as well. Like that, you can give the answer like this. And here, uses of the reflection API. What is the use of the reflection API? Uses. Uses means here how we can use the ID we can develop by using the ID we can develop, and debugging tools. Okay, or debugging and testing tools also you can use. Debugging and testing tools. Uh, and loading drivers and providing dynamic information purpose also you can use. Okay, dynamic information purpose you can use. Information dynamic information dynamic information purpose you can use. Okay, or dynamically runtime you can change them by using the a reflection API. Okay, a reflection API. What is the use of the reflection API? Reflection API you can use the develop the ID, and also you can develop the debugging and the testing tools, and also you can develop the dynamic information or loading drivers and provide the dynamic information. Okay, it will provide the dynamic information by loading the loading the drivers and provide provide dynamic information. Okay. Yes, that's uses of the reflection API as well. And next, disadvantage of disadvantage. Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? Here, low security. Okay, low security. Security, not security. Security. Okay, and security risk is there, right? Security risk, because it will allow the outside of the class as well by using the private keyword, and it will change the at runtime. The current value we can change at runtime as well by using the reflection API. Okay? Security risk, security risk, and violation of OOP concept, right? It is not following it is not following the bio violation of what? OOPS concept. Violation of the OOPS concept, because it is not following the OOPS concept related thing. OOPS concept follows the inside the class only, but in the reflection API, it will allow the outside of the class as well by using the private keyword. Okay, by using the private keyword as well, you can use. Okay. Yeah. That's all about it. But I want to show the tomorrow class is the practical. Okay, it is theoretically I explained for the it is the reflection API related thing, and what is the garbage collection. Sorry, what is the generics related thing we discussed today. It is the theoretical part we completed, right? Practical part we can how we can implement by using the reflection API. Okay, I will show in the tomorrow class. Okay, Today I want to recall all those things, right? What is the generics? Okay, generics is introduced in the Java 1.5, and generics. What is the generics? Generics is nothing but it will give the a type safety of that application or class. Okay, before Java 1.8, it will normalization class and interfaces and methods they have introduced because of the top of the object class is there, right? So it will not provide any security or it is not providing any data type safety, okay, before Java 1.5. But after Java 1.5, they are providing the data safety as well by using the diamond notation. Instead of the diamond notation, you can mention the like this, okay, and syntax of the class, how you can where you can use the generics. You can use generics at the class level or interface level and method level, whatever it is, okay, depending on the situation you can use, okay. Yeah, that's all about the generics. Okay, and the reflection. What is the reflection API? The reflection API, it is a it is we can change the values or we can change the fields or like whatever it is we can change at runtime. Okay, we can change at runtime. They have the reflection API that java.lang and java.lang class and java.lang and java.lang dot reflection. These are the packages, right? The java.lang.class has a the reflection API classes they have provided, right? The java.lang it is the package, and inside the java.lang.reflection, this reflection provides a lot of the methods and interfaces and classes to about the reflection API, right? The interfaces and classes related thing in the reflection API is private constructor and fields and methods and modifiers and proxy. These things we can dynamically we can change by using the reflection API. Okay, but around arrays we can change it dynamically. Okay, constructor it will provide the object at runtime, object information at runtime, and fields, and it will provide the fields at runtime, and methods it will provide the method information, or you can change as well at runtime. You can change or it will provide the at runtime as well the method relating or fields or constructor arrays. You can change the runtime the existing value to new value as well. Okay, and modifier the modifier that has the one of the important question is there, how we can do you it is allowed to create it is allowed to by using the modifier private keyword, it is allowed to the outside class as well or not. You can say but it is not allow by using the private keyword, but reflection by using the reflection API we can allow the modifier private keyword. By using the private keyword you can allow outside of the class as well, like that you can use you can give the answer like that. Okay, and here what is the uses of the reflection API? We can so many uses is there, right? By using the develop the IDE, and you can develop the debugging and testing tools, and it will give the loading drivers and provide the runtime information as well. Okay, these are dynamic information it will provide by using this. These are the uses of the reflection API. What is the disadvantage? Disadvantage is low security and security risk is there, right? Because of private keyword, by using the private keyword, it will allowing the outside of the class as well, and it will changing the at runtime as well. Whatever it is, the class name or class fields or constructor related thing, you can change at runtime by using the reflection API. Okay, that is the low security and security risk is there, right? But it is violation of the OOP concept also. It is violating is happening because of it is not of the secure application, right? By using the private key or whatever it is, it will changing the runtime. Okay, that's all about it. If you have a doubt regarding the generics and reflection API, you can ping me in the YouTube. You can comment in the YouTube. I will give the reply as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah, today that's all about it. So tomorrow I will discuss in the practical of the reflection API and garbage collector in our classes. Okay, thank you so much. Today class I am signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.